So I just not too long ago got my intercooler. So the intercooler is in the box. Got the intercooler in the box right here with some spark plugs. Got the upgraded aftermarket spark plugs. And you guys probably could see the intercooler right here with the pipe in. I got this off somebody for like I got it for like $150, but that's probably because they got it off a Mark 6 Golf R. So just basically an upgraded intercooler for me because I got a Mark 5 GTI. So it's not that bad. So now what I have to do is take off the front end of the GTI. Just gotta take that off, and then we should be able to just put it on. I'm about to do that actually right now, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and I will be uploading a video on this anyway, so you guys gonna see it. So it's on jack stands right now, as you guys can see. It's currently on jack stands. So first we're gonna remove the 3 bolts that's right here to get the bumper loosened up. Then we gotta open the hood, and then there's 2 more screws right here, and then the other side is 3 holding it in on this side. So once we get to those, it should be off. I'm gonna rest the camera down so I can get it started because I want this to be real quick. I'm not trying to be here all day, so I will record it though. I'm gonna have the camera sitting down right here recording what's going on right there. Got everything off right now. Got the AC condenser, the intercooler. This is what we're trying to take off right now. The hose is already unbuckled and all that, so we're just gonna get that off, and I'm gonna hit you guys after. So we got them off, and we comparing them. Look, the Golf R intercooler is way bigger than the stock GTI Mark 5 intercooler. Comparing them to the side, you can see it's way bigger. So everything is back together, as you guys can see, but for some reason the hood is not closing. Had to wash it though, and I upgraded the coil packs as well right here. And I said just gotta put the wheels back on, and we pretty much done, pretty much. And another thing, my dumb ass, I cut the hose too short, so now I have to order a whole new intercooler piping for right there, because I cut it too short, so I need a hose I could connect to right here, and then I'm gonna be able to drive it. But for now, I guess I just have to wait it out. I'm an idiot, cut it way too short, so now I have to order a new one and wait. But everything is back on, and that one fit right there. That one fit perfectly, but it's just this one, and then I have to upgrade the ECU, so I'm about to do that right now. So I just got my intercooler hose not too long ago. Literally just came in the mail, like just now. So I'm gonna just get this, guys. What went wrong last time I did this shit? Okay, I gotta grab a screwdriver to loosen that clamp right here. This. Let me see if I can get this one in first. Is this the smaller side? Hold on. Maybe I'm tripping. I know this shit fit like. 1 second, guys. Now it's in there, so now this is the part we have to cut off to slide it over this intercooler hose right here. So I'm gonna get that loose right now with a freaking screwdriver, the Phillips head. get that loose. I meant the flathead. I'm gonna get that loose, loosen it, take it off, cut the clamp right here, and then we should be all good for a startup. Hood wasn't closing, so I took the latch off. I moved it up a little bit. Now the hood is closing perfectly fine, so that's done. Another thing I gotta do is I gotta get a nice wash, and the tune is already in. It's shooting flames. It's shooting flames. I'm gonna let you guys see real soon. Once I meet up with my friends, I'm gonna have them record while I do the two-step. But guys, it's crazy as from now. I just gotta give them a clean little wash, and then, you know, I'm gonna take them on the street for a joyride. Hell yeah, man. I'm so happy I'm done with everything. So now I don't really have to worry about anything on this car. All I have to do is just to maintain it as from now. And the next thing I'm doing, the next big thing I'm doing is I'm building my motor, my other motor that's blown. I'm building it, and then I'm gonna get a shell just like this one. I'm gonna get a shell and just put it, and just put the motor I'm building in the shell, because to be honest, I love this car to death. This is like my first own car. The Camry is my second. So I really enjoy driving this car. So hell yeah, you guys could tell I'm really excited. Yeah, so guys, later I'm gonna let you guys see the two-step, but that's the engine bay. I took off the little top that was on there. So that's pretty much it. I'm just buttoning up stuff right now. So I'm gonna hit you guys. God. Some more. I need some more.